Do you ever lie awake at night wondering if you are making the right financial decisions? Let me tell you, your 20s are the most powerful decade to shape your financial future. But one wrong move, it could cost you years of regret. I am not here to scare you, okay, maybe just a little, but I am here to guide you. By the end of this video, you will not only recognize these common financial pitfalls, but also you know exactly how to dodge them like a pro. But here's the deal, mistakes are easy to make, particularly in your 20s. Why? Because no one teaches us this stuff in school, and we are often left to figure it out on our own. Don't worry, I have got your back. Mistake number 1, ignoring the power of saving and compounding early. Let's start with the single biggest mistake that young adults make, not saving early. You might think, I'm only 20, why should I start saving now? Well, here's why. Every year you delay saving, you are losing money you didn't even know you had, thanks to compounding. Imagine this, you and your friend both want to save 50 lakh by the time you are 60. You start saving 5,000 a month at age 20. Your friend, he waits until he is 30 to start saving the same amount. By the time you are both 60, you will have double the amount your friend has, just because you started early. That's the magic of compounding. Interest earning on interest. And let me tell you, there is no greater regret than realizing you missed the compounding bus. But there's a bigger trap out there, one that can derail even the best savers. Let's talk about it. Mistake number 2, falling into the debt trap. Debt, the silent killer of dreams. And no, I am not being dramatic. In India, credit card usage is at an all-time high among young adults. But here's the problem. Many use it without understanding it. It starts with a small purchase you can't afford, followed by an EMI, followed by, well, you get the picture. It's like those buy now, pay later schemes. They sound fun until you are paying later and later and later. Next thing you know, you are 30 and still paying for the iPhone you bought at 25. Here's my advice. Treat credit cards like a double-edged sword. They are useful, but they are also dangerous if you not handled wisely. Only spend what you can pay off in full each month. And if you have existing debt, prioritize paying it off as soon as possible, because the interest is a hole that only gets deeper. But what if I told you there's another financial mistake that's even dangerous and more expensive than debt? Let's dive into it. Mistake number 3, overspending on lifestyle inflation. Here's the thing about your 20s. Your career is just starting to pick up, and so is your income. But with more income, often comes more expenses. This phenomenon is called lifestyle inflation. It starts innocently. You get your first paycheck, you treat yourself, nothing wrong with that. But soon, every paycheck goes toward maintaining a lifestyle that's beyond your means. New clothes, fancy dinners, the latest phone. Before you know it, you are living paycheck to paycheck with no savings inside. Here's the secret to breaking free. Every time your income increases, don't let your spending increase by the same amount. Put a chunk of that raise into investments or savings. Build your future, not your liability list. And speaking of the future, there's another mistake that could cost you far more than just money. Let's talk about it. Mistake number 4, neglecting insurance and emergency funds. This is a tough one because insurance is not something we like to think about. It's not glamorous. But let me ask you this. What would happen if you lost your job tomorrow or faced a medical emergency? Do you have a financial safety net to fall back on? Life is unpredictable. You need an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of your expenses saved up, and you need insurance. Health insurance to protect you from medical bills, and even term insurance if you have dependents. Think of it as your financial seatbelt. You don't expect to crash every day, but you wear it because you know it's better to be safe than sorry. Now the 5th mistake, it's one that almost everyone in their 20s falls for, and it has everything to do with keeping up appearances. Mistake number 5, comparing yourself to others. Comparison is the thief of joy and your wallet. Social media shows us highlight reels of other people's lives, making us feel like we need to spend more to keep up. But here's the truth. Most of what you see is either fake or built on debt. Do you really want to sacrifice your financial freedom just to impress people who probably are not even paying attention? The path to wealth is about running your own race, not someone else's. Focus on building your assets, not your follower count. Because let me tell you, true wealth is silent and it does not need validation from anyone. let's wrap this up with the one thing you need to remember. Your 20s are your foundation, the decade where small decisions have huge ripple effects. Avoid these 5 mistakes and you will set yourself up for a wealthy, stress-free future. It's never too late to start, but the earlier you act, the better. If you found value in this video, hit the like button and share it with someone who could benefit from it. And hey, don't forget to subscribe because we are just getting started on this journey to financial freedom. Curious about how to grow your savings faster and smarter? Don't miss my video on the power of compounding. Click on the end screen now and take your financial knowledge to the next level. Until next time, stay smart, stay wealthy.